Hey, hello my dudes, how are you? I hope you are all fine, guys, and Codito is back. So guys, what we are gonna create today? Today we are gonna create, I'm gonna show you this. Okay, now we can see a nasty button, but we don't care about this. We are going to create this beautiful modal, and of course we are gonna use React.js for this thing. It's all these things are is custom, guys. Okay, if we push here nothing happens. If we push here, look, it goes either here the same, and also we can see Codito here doing an amazing and good stuff. Some it's in reality and After Effect. We use Filmora in order to create this. I'm gonna show you in a couple of videos later. So guys, as I told you, life is not only programming. You have to do another stuff. So let's get started and create this beautiful box. First of all, what we are gonna do? Let's go. So you can create directly from your terminal, your app, or from your VS Code. Okay, I'm gonna use CMD. I like doing it from terminal. Okay, CD. Let's go to desktop. Yes. Then let's write npx create React app. I already have it as a modal here, so let's write you can write it as modal. Okay, my modal. Cool. And now we just wait for the installation. So guys, as I told you, you have to do another stuff. Okay, life is not only coding. Good, I like it. The way it comes, both of them. Let's see what happens here. So I'm gonna stop for a while. Let's see how is the installation. Okay, it wants times, and when come I'm gonna come back. Okay, we are back. So guys, we are ready. Happy hiding. Let's close it right now. Resize it. Cool. What we are gonna visit now? Okay, my modal is here. My modal. Okay, look what we are gonna create. Good and simple. Drag and drop it. Take it and put it here, and boom, we are ready, guys. And of course, guys, you should not forget to subscribe and like. So let's go to our source. Go to app.js. Okay, let's open what I'm doing. I'm not a sadist. So open terminal in order to see our browser. So npm start, and boom, we just wait for our browser to start. So for this project, guys, it is very simple project. We are gonna use of course hooks. Of course, I want to tell you that it's not bad using the old way with class-based components, state, set state. Okay, the most important thing that you should keep in your mind is to create something, no matter what technology you use, or if something is old or new. Okay, if you use class-based or functional components or Redux. Okay, the most important thing is to create stuffs. Okay, we are here. I'm telling you this because I hear many guys who tells, oh, this is very old way, you should choose the new way. Okay, I absolutely disagree with this. Okay, the most important thing is to create stuff whatever you use. Okay, now if you it's for sure it's important to learn new things, new ways, okay, the modern way, but as I told you, the most important thing, keep it in mind, is to create things no matter what way you use. Right, let's get started. We don't need the header, bye header. Also, we don't need the logo CSS, bye. Let's see. Yes, let's go to app CSS. Control A, press. We don't need all this. Okay. Let's leave the app class name, and let's create now, guys, a button. Button. Let's name a very simple button. We don't want to make a style in this button. Okay. Let's write open. Just open. We don't care about anything else, because we are not going to design something very important. Okay. Div dot let's create a modal. Cool. I'm gonna put, guys, this iframe. Okay, I just copied it because it's very big and I don't know want now to find. Just write it. Right, I'm gonna show you how to input iframe from YouTube. Many of you know this, it's pretty simple. Okay, let's go here, for example, in YouTube. Right, superhero effects. Okay, this is a way that I made the previous video with Filmora. It's amazing tool for creating stuff. I'm gonna show you in the future transition animation like this. Right now, let's, for example, what to choose. Oh, okay, here is Bashir, very nice, guys. I like his tutorial. I like pets, I like dogs. I'm gonna take this, right. Right, take this, cool, copy, right. So I don't need this anymore, resize. Okay, after copying, go here and put paste. And boom, you see now all this iframe here in your page. Okay, I don't need this, guys, I have my own. Right, and let's continue. After this, let's create a div.modal details. Right, let's put an h3 div dot what I'm doing, class name. Maybe I'm not gonna need the class name of title, but let's write it in order. Let's write Codito is cool. Yeah, who is this dude? Don't know it. K P, hello everyone and thanks for your support. Yes guys, thank you very much for your support. Subscribe and push the like for more cool videos. Yes. If you already are subscribed, then push the like. Yes, it does not cost you anything, guys. Cost you anything. This help channel grow. Cool. Nothing else. More than enough. So after the detail, the P, okay, let's go after the here and create an H2, right? Let's put an X, right? X, and after this div, guys, write another div with the name of div dot main, what I write, main container. Cool. Okay, nothing else. We need all these things, right? Let's go to app CSS and try the design right now, guys. First of all, we want to prevent some default things, right? Let's write here. We don't need the margins, so we put it 0. We don't need the padding, we put it 0, and box sizing, which has to do with the padding, right? And now let's get started. App dot app button, padding, let's put a padding of 5 pixels, right? You can see now. Font size, let's put 18 pixels. Letter spacing 0.1 rem, and margin 50 pixel, 50 pixel. Okay. Dot app, let's give a hover. button, hover, let's put, guys, cursor pointer, let's put a color. Okay, nothing else, only this. So after this, let's go to modal, write max width 40 pixels, the index, maybe we don't need this index. Let's write a box shadow 0, 4 pixels, 2 pixels, and light gray. Yes. A padding of 10 pixels, a width of 19%, margin 0 auto, position, let's put a relative, background, just put RGB, okay, margin top minus. Okay, we don't need this right now, guys. Just comment this, right? And transition all 0.5 second and is in out, right? Now let's write this is the dot new modal that we create. It does not it is inside the class as class name. We just create it and we want to toggle it with functionality. So dot new modal, let's write margin top 20 pixel, yes, transition of 0.5 second and is in out, right? It will gain all these functionalities, and the only difference is that it will bring the 20 pixel, okay? And here now when we uncomment this, it will bring this, and when we toggle this, it will bring this margin top. I suppose you understand, right? What happened with this every time? So Let's go to iframe. Cool. Width 100%. Margin 0 auto. Every time the same. I have to delete and put it again the VS Code. Maybe something bug happens. So margin 0 auto. Let's put a height of 30 pixel. Yes. And the border radius 5%. Not bad. Cool. Let's go to dot app h2 color prism. Yes. Position, let's put absolute. We want it in the top here, so we push the we choose the absolute top. Let's see the top 0. Right, let's put a right of mine. Come on, just reload. We don't need this. Here let's put right, not bad. Background RGB. Right. Cool. We got the color. Let's put a width, guys. 30 pixel. Right. Border radius 50%. Text align. Okay, it got me crazy this now. Why it doesn't reload automatically? Okay, let's put dot up h2. Okay, and choose the hover. Then background. Let's put a background of RGB, for example. Right, let's see. Nice. Of course we need a cursor or pointer. Let's go now to dot main container, position fixed, yes, top 0, bottom 0. We use fixed because we want to cover all this area right now, all the area. Left 0, right 0. Background RGBA. Let's write 0.0.0. And 0.5. Oh, I wrote many zeros. happened? G. Right. Transform, translate. So if I choose, not right now, okay, transition all 0.5 second is in out, right? If I comment this, look, here we are, okay? Dot new main, the new main container that we are gonna toggle with button functionality, opacity 1. It is already 1, so let's not write it. Don't know why I write it. Transform, translate. This is gonna be 0. Okay, 0. And let's put a transition also. Cool. After this, let's go. Okay, we could leave it like it is right now, or you can make it responsive. Let's make responsive. Okay, media, screen, and min width. Let's put, okay, then dot modal iframe. Let's put a width of 35 pixels, right? Margin, uh, 0 auto, height, border. Okay, the border radius, let's put it again. We already have 55%, right? Let me see. Okay, can do many things. The only thing that we can see it. We don't have choice, guys. I'm gonna leave it here. Or maybe, yeah, and then where can I write? No, here. Sorry about this, but we don't have better choice. So dot modal max width of okay, let's put let's see, right, margin top, let's put a margin top of, but we will not need it right now, so just choose this. and we want a display of legs for this reason. Right, with this let's write dot new modal. As you can see guys, all these stuffs wants time. Okay, you can't create something in 10 minutes, and what you are gonna explain in 2 minutes. Dot display dot new modal, let's see, display legs, right, and margin top, let's tell 10 pixels, right. Let's go to dot modal details, margin, let's give 10 pixels space here, right. Yes, we don't need some margin. Dot new modal, dot modal details. Yes, we don't need anything else. Let's move dot modal details, dot modal details, h3, text align, let's put it in the center. Yes, you can see it. Letter space in 0.1 rem, color, let's choose the 404242, font style italic, I like the italic. So, and the margin button 5 pixels, right. And on here what we created. Right after this, dot modal. As you can see guys, we can't avoid CSS, it's necessary. Font size, let's choose a font size of 18 pixels, right. Color 555, right. Come on, right, cool. Nothing else. Go now to, we are going to deal, oh, now what we want here guys, let me show you what we want. Just uncomment this, we see nothing now. Also uncomment this, right, and then comment this, right. Now we can't see anything, look. Let's go and give functionalities. We are gonna use React hooks. So const modal set modal, cool, equal with use effect, right. False here, of course, by default. And here guys, look, we need this, the use effect is not defined. Look, if you go and delete and now put again the tab, then choose this box, use effect, and boom, use directly, it put it inside, right. Come on, just reload. Come on, it gets me crazy right now, this. Come on, come on. It's still compiling. I don't believe why it's so late. So late. It gets me in my nerves. So let's continue and so I'm gonna stop for a while to see why it is so late. Hey guys, we are back. And this happened because my stupidness. We don't need use effect. Use effect is when you are not concentrated well. So use effect is in order to is a method for rendering, guys. Like component did mount. We need use state. What I was thinking? Don't believe it. Use state. Damn it. Sometimes, guys, this happens. Use state. Don't believe it. Use state is not defined. Yes, now it's right. So after this, I don't believe it. This happened. Let's create some functions, guys. Const open modal equal with let's create a fat arrow function right now. We need here const open modal. We want to put the set modal to have the opposite situation of modal true. Okay, right. I believe that this makes sense to you. Cool. And let's write a log in order to see what happened of modal. What I'm doing, right? Right. Inspect element. Open modal. Let's put where is now open modal. Also, let's create now the functionality of const close modal, right, equal with a pattern function, guys. So when this is, we don't want only to see the opposite and the opposite situation. For example, here now, if we are gonna write if modal is exactly equal with true, what we want set modal to be false, okay, to have the initial situation again. Modal and close modal. Now there is here, go here now, cut all this, cool, put here this, and we need the modal here, this, okay, and also put again this. Now what we want here to put also the new modal, right? So if it is false, we are not going to see anything here, okay? But when it becomes true, we are going to see all these things, right? Button, let's push the button here. We need the on click here to put the functionality of on click equal with open modal. Come on. And boom, we got the open modal. Let's create a functionality of some fun other things. So let's deal now with here. Go here again, cut all these guys, cut curly brackets, modal, what I'm doing, this. Here we put again the new modal, right? And we need here, what we need? We need let me see, because we, let me see, also here guys, let's see, also here guys, let's put the on click equal with close modal. Close modal. No new modal. What I'm doing? New main. Main container. New main. Mistake here. Let's see. Somewhere is a mistake. We are gonna discover it. We got main container new. Okay, maybe. Okay. I believe now it's correct. Right. Look now. We can. Boom. Oh. Yes. Go to, where is the modal, the index, put 20. Right? Now it's correct. And boom. After this, also we want to close when we push here, for example. Okay, let's put here the on click equal with close modal. I suppose now you understood why I put the close modal, why I created a new modal here. So if it is open, which it means it is true, okay, look, it is open now, and this, right? So if it is open, when I push the close modal, we want to go to false. Okay, boom, false. Let me see what else we want. I think we are ready, guys. That was, guys, I believe that we are ready. Here of course we don't want it. So what else? Let me see. I saw some errors here. Inspect element, right? Let me see. Console, block same origin policy, course request did not succeed. Okay, we should not deal more with this. It's no time dealing with this, right? Feature policy, supported feature, encrypted media, autoplay. Yes, it has to do with the iframe. Don't want to deal more with this, guys. It wasn't our purpose. Maybe in another video when we make a big tutorial. So that was, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And don't forget to subscribe and like. I know it took a little bit time, but you saw that everything is from scratch. Everything is in detail. Every single word is in CSS is in detail. We write it from scratch. Okay? Have a nice day, guys, and don't forget to subscribe and like. Where is my blouse? I can't find it. I'm in a hurry. I have to go right now.